Understanding what artificial turf really is. One of the biggest mistakes property owners make is thinking artificial turf is simply green carpet. It isn't. Artificial turf is actually a highly engineered system. Every turf installation contains multiple components working together. Component one is going to be your fiber. This is the grass blade itself, the visible part, the part you can see, what most people focus on, right? So these fibers can be made from polyethylene, polypropylene, nylon, or a mixture of them as well. Each serves different purposes. The fibers are designed to replicate natural grass while providing durability and UV resistance. Component number two is going to be your primary backing. This is where the fibers are stitched inside. Think of it as the foundation holding the blades in place. And then your component three is going to be your secondary backing. This locks everything together. The backing is often overlooked, but it's one of the most critical components of the entire turf system. And then obviously component number four, the infill. Infill may be one of the most misunderstood components of turf. Many homeowners don't even realize it's there, yet infill performs several critical functions. It's going to support the fibers, prevent matting, improves drainage, adds ballast weight, enhances durability, improves comfort, and helps with shock absorption. Also, the backing. It protects the backing. Component 5 is going to be the base system, the compacted aggregate base beneath the turf. This provides stability, the drainage, longevity, structural support. And then you're going to have the component 6, which is a subgrade, the soil beneath everything. Every maintenance program should be focused on protecting all 6 of these components.